on the way to Khajiar. Like we're half away. You can see the road. It's all dark. It takes like from McLeanganj, it takes around 5 to 6 hours because the roads are in construction. So it's taking a lot of time. So today's day has just gone wasted. We'll see what we will be doing tomorrow. But it's a good experience overall. Let's see how it goes. Let me show you all the Airbnb I'm staying at. This is the view. Like we have a whole balcony. It's like 7 a.m. in the morning. Look at the view. The best hotel view. Like on the floor there's like 3 rooms. This is me. This is like bonfire. Sentence is the owner. Early morning and the view is so good. I just want to, take bath, get ready, and then enjoy the view fully. Right now I'm very tired. You can see it on my face, but the view is really amazing. So this is day 2 and I'm in Khajiar, that is in Himachal Pradesh. It's like and there's Dalhousie and all of that. So this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this necklace, this top and a skirt. So the best thing about this place is like this is an Airbnb and the view. The view is so crazy. Like let me show it to us. Damn, just see. There's a huge open space. Like if you're coming to Khajiar, please come here. The owners are so good. They have such amazing, like they make such amazing food. They're so helpful. Like I really enjoyed being here and it's really good. I'm so happy. This is, I don't usually celebrate my birthday. I don't like to do that. So since many years I'm doing this. Like I don't stay, I just like to go somewhere on my birthday. So this is my birthday escape trip. I started on 12th. Today it's 16th. Tomorrow is my birthday and I'm here enjoying the view. And this is surreal. Like this is the best birthday trip I have ever had. And seriously, I'm so overwhelmed right now. Like it was an amazing trip. Tomorrow I'm going to Amritsar. For my birthday I will be in Amritsar at the Golden Temple. But today I feel really good. The property is really amazing. This is my outfit number 2. Now I'm going for the paraglide. So the Airbnb where we are staying at. So paragliding is very nearby. This is the space where I will be doing the paragliding. And to be honest, I don't have fear of heights. Paragliding was on my vision board since a long time. And finally, I'm gonna fulfill that. So moving out of the Airbnb to climb all the way. हाँ ना. So that's my shadow. Oh my god. इतने धूप में कैसे करेंगे? बस गिलास पोंछ लेके बैठ जाती है. मेरा बर्थडे है. मैं नहीं. आज बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे. थैंक यू. क्या पता नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं हो मेरा लास्ट बर्थडे. आपके लिए
सामने कैलाश. कैलाश पूरा रात यही थे, देखा नहीं.
नहीं मेरे को ध्यान नहीं गया. भाई मजा आ रहा है एकदम.
मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ
बीक लागे छे.
मस्त. मैं तो यूपी से हूँ, मैं गुजराती नहीं
आप
हूँ.
नहीं हो उधर.
नहीं
मजा आ रहा है.
बहुत मस्त है.
ये छोड़ दो. ये ऐसे ये खोल दो ऐसे पूरा.
नीचे पैर अभी नहीं पैर.
खड़े हो. कैसा लगा? बाय करो.
Oh my god. The craziest thing I have ever done. Look at my legs. Ow!
हर महादेव.
I've never thought of doing this in my wildest dream also. This is the outfit I'm wearing at Dalhousie. This is the outfit they have given. This is similar to the Bumrao song, and I don't know how I look. You all let me know.
हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं रहता क्या?
ये सेम मेरे से है ना. मैंने गोल्डन पहना था सुबह. देख मैं पहनने ही वाली थी, मेरे पास आ गया ना. आ जाती है चीज़ें घूम फिर के.
तो अंकल हम लोग को तो एकदम लग रही है प्यारी. हम लोग बॉडी गार्ड लग रहे हैं.
It's 17th and it's my birthday and I am in Amritsar. Like as you all already know, I don't like to celebrate my birthday. I like to travel on my birthday. So the Himachal trip is already completed. It's on 17th and you guys won't believe I reached Amritsar at 12 a.m. Correctly at 12 a.m. It is just coincident. So I visited the Golden Temple. I just want to show my room, the room I'm staying at. It's a mess. It's the mirror number 2. We also have a balcony. Let me show it to you. ये सबका सेम रहता है क्या? ओपन करने staying at this hotel, and we have a straight Golden Temples view. This is my outfit for today. It's day 2 in Amritsar. I'm wearing pink, like it's a mix of everything. And this is my makeup. And I got this juttis from here, and it's very pretty. But they are very loose, so I'm wearing socks beneath. And yeah, it's day 2. Tomorrow I will be leaving. Yesterday I went to Gurudwara twice, like to the Golden Temple twice, because it was my birthday. Today is 18th, the second day. We'll roam around, we'll see Jallianwala Bagh and all the other markets. Then tomorrow we'll do some shopping and then we'll leave. So yeah, it was 3 days trip at Amritsar. So this is the last station of India. Like we are at the Atari. From here onwards, Pakistan started. So this is the last station of India. This is how it is.
यहाँ से ट्रेन जाता था समझौता एक्सप्रेस। अच्छा। 2019 से वो बंद है अभी। यहाँ पे वीरज़ादा, बजरंगी भाईजान, गदर 1 पिक्चर शूटिंग हुआ है। अच्छा। So it's the last day of the trip. It was like a trip of 1 week, and it's my last day in Amritsar today. I have to catch the train at 18:55 today.
इसकी चेक लिस्ट ठीक हो गई। एक में मूली प्याज नहीं डालना, हाँ जी।
ज़्यादा तीखी नहीं,
तीखा नॉर्मल। दही डालना
नहीं।
स्टार्टिंग से चलता है क्या ये अंदर अंदर It was an amazing trip. So now I have to go back to work, go back to that old same life. But yeah, it was fun. And here's to more trips for 2026. Let's see how it goes. So I had booked my room with a balcony view. So if you go upstairs, you get a direct view of the Golden Temple. Up a balcony view of the Gurudwara. I think till now you guys know that I book hotels which have like the direct view of the place I am visiting, because I feel that's really good. Like you don't have to walk through a lot, and if it's nearby you can go there like for like multiple times. That is what I really want.